In this video, we're going to learn how to draw this man riding a motorbike with a quick sketching technique. I'm using my Pentel brush pen and a mixed media sketch pad. If you'd like to practice your drawing with me, the reference is linked in the description below. And I wanted to show you here how I divide the face up as I'm looking at it. The glasses are an interesting challenge because I can't really see the eyes, so I'm using the features around the glasses, like the forehead, the nose and the cheek, to position where the glasses go. Now I'm on to outlining the rest of the body, arms and legs. I've shown you in red here on the reference the main shapes that I'm looking at. Getting the length of the arm and the gesture of the hand was really important for me, and also the bend in his body. You may notice I'm not using any washes or anything. I'm using my finger or that little blending stick. I'm going to try and do this whole sketch without using anything else but this one Pentel brush pen. I wasn't sure at first how I was going to tackle the complexity of the motorbike. So I imagined in my mind these basic shapes and I was going to build them up, and especially focus on getting the wheels correct. So even though it looks like I'm drawing random lines, I'm actually trying to outline these shapes that I've highlighted in blue on the reference. The way I ended up drawing the circle was with lots of little tiny sketchy lines, and then I could look back and see if the circle was correct every little line I did. Then I was able to block in some really strong ink and I blended at the top where there was a bit of a highlight. I noticed on the reference there was this subtle gradient from the foot up to the fuel tank, and so I wanted to exaggerate that in my sketch. So I put quite a lot of ink at the bottom and then I used my finger to blur it up, and it has a really nice gradient. So I'm continuing here to add each feature in reference to the last feature I drew, and then also looking at the overall shapes corresponding with the person, the wheels and the legs, making sure all the details are in the right position. I was a little bit more confident with the second wheel because I'd figured out how to do the first one, but still it took me a long time and I wanted to make sure I got it right. So the last thing I've got to do is add in a few more details, some more shading, and also I wanted to fix up the head because I felt like it didn't match the reference as much as I had hoped. I'm really happy the way the whole drawing turned out. I think the key was trying to break down all those complex forms into some simple shapes. If you had a go at drawing this with me, I'd love to take a look, so tag me on Instagram, and I'll see you in the next one.